guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be swatching and reviewing 5 polishes from the brand called KBShimmer. KBShimmer is a brand that I've never tried before. This is actually my first purchase ever. I got them at hypnoticpolish.com, which is actually located here in the Netherlands. So that is a big plus for all my fellow Dutchies out there, but also anyone else who's in Europe, because it's easier to get them from the Netherlands if you're in Europe than if you would have to get them shipped from the States, for example. But yeah, I got 5 colors. They're all quite different. There are actually 2 colors that are a little bit similar, but they are different enough that I actually wanted both of them. They're all beautiful, flaky, shimmery polishes. There's glitter in there, like not super like gritty glitter, but just finely milled glitter and shimmer. Oh, they are gorgeous. I think I've paid about 11 or 12 euros. I'm not quite sure because I have ordered these quite some weeks ago and it was actually during my nail polish shopping spree, which was insane. I have bought so many polishes just like in 1 month. It was crazy. I think I bought like 10 different collections or something like that. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. If you are curious to see all the other items that I got during that specific time in life, I actually did a whole like huge nail polish haul video. I will leave it in the end screen and you can watch it if you're done watching this video, of course. So if you're curious about that, you can definitely check that out. But yeah, I got them at hypnoticpolish.com. No, I'm not sponsored, I'm not paid or anything like that to mention their name. I just really think it's an awesome web store and they have such beautiful collections and brands of nail polishes, and they do have some nail art stuff such as Moyu London stamping plates as well, which I also got a few from, which were also the first ones I got by that brand, but that's a whole other story for another video. But yeah, I am going to just show you one little like box and bottle real quick, because of course I am going to do full-on unboxing, swatches, review after my intro part, but they all come in beautiful black boxes. On the side you can see what KBShimmer actually stands for. So they're cruelty free, they're vegan, 5 free, they don't contain any like creepy ingredients that are definitely hard for me to pronounce. Like I see camphor, I see xylene, ethylthosilum something. They're difficult to pronounce. They're even hard for me to pronounce in Dutch, just let alone doing this in English. But yeah, you can see the ingredients on the back as well. And yeah, Dream Bold, Live Beautiful, KBShimmer. I think that's a really cool like brand thing to share with other people. But yeah, these bottles contain 15 milliliters and this is actually one of my favorite colors. This one is something to taco about. On the top you can actually see which color or the name of the color, and I just think like the packaging is pretty decent. So yeah, they are a little bit more expensive. I think they are actually kind of like indie brand polishes, which I'm fairly new in. So if you have any like recommendations of brands that you would like me to try out, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. This brand was actually recommended to me as well by one of my viewers, so thanks for that. I have like a whole new nail polish brand to explore. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But for now, I'm going to stop the rambling. Thank you so much for watching on forehand. I love you so much. And as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well. So let's get into the swatches, unboxing and so on. But first I wanted to share a little extra information about the polishes, because while recording the intro I thought they were like 12 to 15 euros or something, but I actually went back into my like information, my receipts, stuff like that, and they were only €9.50, so they were just a little below 10 bucks, which is pretty awesome. Of course, KBShimmer polishes contain 15 milliliter a bottle, which is quite a big amount, and yeah, they're completely vegan if I'm correct. They're 5 free, they're cruelty free, and yeah, you can see it all on the boxes as I'm going through the 5 colors that I picked. I actually did purchase an extra one with some other Cirque color polishes that I just recently ordered last week, but I'm still waiting on those to get in now, recording this voiceover. So yeah, but I am going to do the swatches as usual on my thumb, and I'm just removing my previous polish from that, and there's still a little bit gel base and top coat on there because, you know, I've mentioned this in so many videos. I had a little tear in one of my sidewalls and I just wanted to let it grow out peacefully, and to give it a little extra strength I just added the base and top coat. But let's get back into these polishes, because here you can see all of the ingredients, what KBShimmer stands for, and so on. I'm already a big fan. I love the packaging. It looks quite slick and just pretty neat, and I also love that you can actually see the name of the polish on top as well. So the first one is actually called a love-heat relationship, and this one looks a little similar to the next one I'm going to swatch, but I will get back into that a little later. But this color, like, oh gosh, I had to do some really close up, like macro kind of footage with these polishes because there is so much going on in these. It's insane, but it's insane in a good way, if you know what I mean. So in this first one, there actually are like holographic shimmers going on. There are flakies, it's green, it's gold, it's like, it's gorgeous. I just can't explain how beautiful I feel like actually every single one of the polishes is that I got with this first purchase. As I mentioned, this is my first time trying out this brand. I've never used them before, so yeah, I'm really excited about that. And I was a little bit worried that some of the colors wouldn't be really opaque with just 2 coats, and that they were more of like a topper kind of polish. But once I went through more and more swatches of other nail polish addicts, enthusiasts, and so on, I felt like, okay, these can actually work on their own, so you're not like obligated or anything like that to actually put an opaque colored polish underneath. Of course you can. I've done it a couple of times while trying out these polishes just for fun in daily life. I have actually topped the next one, which is Are You Kitten Me? I've topped that one on top of, I think it was a nude kind of rosy pink with just 1 coat, and it looked really gorgeous. But yeah, these are actually so fully packed with shimmer and glitter and just flakies going on in there that they are quite opaque by themselves with just 2 coats. So yeah, I am going to do 2 coats for every single color, like I usually do, just to show you what these polishes are capable of with just 2 layers. But to be honest, these colors are so gorgeous. If you like flaky polishes, if you like some holographic shimmer going on, or you just like to have a bold manicure that stands out in a crowd, definitely check out this brand because they have so many gorgeous colors. It was actually quite hard to just pick 5, so yeah, I am definitely sure that I will be going back to hypnoticpolish.com and purchase some extra ones because, you know, I can't ever have enough nail polishes. And if you're like me and a big nail polish collector, enthusiast, hoarder, addict even, you know what I mean. But this next color is quite similar to the previous one, but I feel like this color is a little bit more rose golden compared to the love heat relationship. This one is called Are You Kitten Me, and I have worn this for about a week, as I mentioned, on top of a dusty nude pink kind of color. So yeah, it is a very gorgeous color. Once again, beautiful flakies are in here and I'm just pretty much obsessed. With this first coat, as you can see, there is a ton of sparkle in here, already a couple of flakes, but it is still quite sheer, and that is also why I actually topped it on top of another color, just to try it out for a very first time off camera, just in daily life, you know. But yeah, it is so beautiful. Like, I don't know, I can't get over the fact how gorgeous these are. And yeah, if you like some bling and stuff like that, I don't know, I'm going to be so repetitive in this video, it's insane, because all of the colors just have something really special and a lot of shimmer and just gorgeousness going on. I'm going to be repeating myself a lot, so beware. I'm sorry about it. I'm just really excited for these colors, and you really should be too if you're into nail polishes like these. One thing that I do want to mention is that I didn't really have a super hard time removing these polishes after swatching them. Even after wearing a couple of colors for multiple days, I didn't feel like they were really hard to get off. You don't really have to scrub them off or anything like that. You can just soak your nails with a little bit of nail polish remover and a cotton round or something like that. Just soak it for like 5 minutes and it's completely gone without really having a ton of shimmer and glitter or flakies on your skin next to the nail, so that is a big plus. But let's continue to the third color already, and this one is definitely one of my favorites. I have told you guys this so many times in my recent videos that I'm obsessed with yellow nail polishes at the moment. They're fun, they're bright, they're spirit uplifting, and I just love it. This one is called Something to Taco About. Again, loving the name, really creative, and it suits the color so well. There is a lot of depth in this particular polish, and it just reminds me of straight on lemonade, like the American lemonade. Oh, that's so delicious. I wish I could get my hands on some decent like American lemonade here in the Netherlands, but it's quite hard to be honest. But yeah, it is just so zesty, so lemony, it is gorgeous. There also is a little bit of like an orange shift going on in this one, which I pretty much love as well, because as much as I love yellows at the moment, orange always has like a place in my heart when it comes to nail polish colors, because you know I am Dutch. Orange is our national color, and orange is also one of those colors that is really fun to wear and just really uplifting and bright, and I don't know, it always lifts my spirit a lot. But yeah, this color is actually quite opaque on that first coat already. I feel like there's more of like a lime or lemon kind of jelly base in this polish, and it once again is just fully packed with glitter and shimmer. There's some holographic shimmer going on in this as well, next to the beautiful like lemon yellow towards orange zesty kind of shimmer shift that's going on, or like flakies. Oh man, this one is so gorgeous. And as you can see here, like the end result, there is a lot of depth in this color, and I really didn't expect that, because yellows are actually some of the hardest colors to make. They need a lot of pigment and sometimes even a white base, but even though this one has like a lemony zesty jelly base, I feel like it covered really well. Of course, I only applied 2 coats to my nails, so there is a little bit of natural nail line still peeking through, but it wasn't bothering me at all. So yeah, next color is the fourth one already. This one is called Zoom with a View, and I was not really debating when I saw this color whether or not I should get it, because it reminded me of some really cool like glass marbles that I had when I was a kid, and it just definitely brought back memories, and it was so gorgeous. Like, I don't even know what those marbles were called, but me and my brothers actually had an entire collection of marbles and just playing the game all day, every day, you know? But that's like way back, like back in the 90s and stuff. So yeah, this color just really reminded me of those beautiful marbles that I was collecting, and they're just gorgeous, as well as this polish. So yeah, I am pretty much obsessed with it. Once again, this one was a little bit sheer on the first coat, but there are so many flakies and shimmers and glitters going on in here that it actually looked pretty decent with just 2 coats, in my opinion. So the base is a little bit of like a bluish purplish kind of mix. There definitely is a lot of color going on with those flakies, and once again there is holographic shimmer in this one as well. I just think it really looks gorgeous in any polish, just to add a little bit of holographic shimmer in there. Like, I do think that there is a lot of holographic shimmer going on in these polishes, but just a little touch of it can definitely spice up any manicure. And yeah, I'm pretty much obsessed with this. While now I'm looking at this polish like it's completely applied to my nail with that 2 coats, it kind of reminds me of like the earth seeing like far away from it in space or something. I don't know. For some reason it reminds me of marbles, it reminds me of marble games, and it reminds me of planet Earth. I don't know. It's just really, really gorgeous, and the flakies in this one shift so beautifully from like an orangey coppery color towards a gold and even a green. I think it's gorgeous. Maybe the green part is why it reminds me of our planet so much, but yeah, it's a really, really gorgeous one. I do think you can actually layer it up with an extra coat and give it a little bit extra depth, but 2 coats is already pretty much opaque in my opinion, or at least opaque enough for my personal preference. Then the 5th and final color that I got is called Eyes on the Pies. Such a cute name once again, definitely loving it. There is kind of like a bluish jelly formula going on in this one, but once again packed with gorgeous flakies. I do feel like there's more of like different sized and shapes flakies going on in this one, and less like glitter or shimmer compared to the other colors that I bought with this first little like KBShimmer haul. But it is definitely gorgeous color. The first coat I felt like was kind of sheer compared to the other colors, and especially knowing that this is the darkest shade of the 5 that I got, I was not really like disappointed or anything like that, but I did really wanted it to be more opaque on that first coat. But yeah, once again, don't judge a polish by its first coat, because I am going to apply a second layer, and I am sure that if you are going to add even a 3rd coat, there will be so much depth in this polish. It's insane. But the color is really, really gorgeous. It's like a bluish, dark bluish navy with a little bit of purple, of like a jelly base going on. Then there are gorgeous coppery and purple, almost magenta pink as well, flakies going on in this one. It's really gorgeous. One thing that I did notice with this polish especially is that it pulled back from my nail tip a little bit, which is usually something that I only notice with very sheer jelly formulas. Even though this one is packed with like shimmer or flakies, I did feel like it pulled back a little bit too much for my likings, and that also pretty much only happens if I wear gel polishes, so I was a little bit surprised to see that, but of course always cap off your edges as well while you are applying your nail polish, not only to have a flawless like end result, but also to prevent any chipping and tip wear, because it pretty much seals in your entire nail, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this was the last color already. Definitely let me know what you think about these colors. So they are only €9.50 each, or at least where I got them at hypnoticpolish.com. I'm really, really happy that I got them, so thank you so much for the person who recommended these to me. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.